Hi there. To prepare your local storybook for debugging TurboSnap, we need a preview stats JSON file to debug story paths in Storybook and get TurboSnap working correctly. First, let me show you the shape of the monorepo we're investigating. Here I've got my file directory with my root files and then a subdir directory with a Storybook config directory. The first thing you want to do is build your Storybook locally. Your build script should contain the CLI flag webpack_stats_json, which tells Webpack to generate a dependency graph of your components and the related stories. Here's the script, storybook build webpack_stats_json, and I've specified an output directory at the root of my repository. In your terminal, run the command yarn build storybook. Once you've run the command, it'll generate a static directory of your storybook build. I've already run mine, so I'm not going to run it here. And as you can see here in my subdirectory, I have a storybook static, or a subdir static directory rather. In that directory, there is a preview stats JSON file. This file contains a lot of information, and so we're going to trim it down to only the relevant information that we need. And in order to do that, you are going to run a script, mpx chromatic at latest, trim stats file, and then you will pass your path to the preview stats JSON. Once you run that command, it'll generate a trimmed stats file within your same static directory. And now as you can see here, within this file, it contains all of your files in your repository, their dependencies, and the related stories. And only the ID name and the related files that we need. Once you have your project configured, the next step is to utilize the chromatic trace utility. You can click on the link above to our video showcasing the tools and commands most frequently used in debugging TurboSnap.